saw your eyes, a sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are.
Here it is, guys. We are done with the service actually. Good thing is that my service manager has done all the formalities, normal formalities already.
సర్వీస్కి సంబంధించి ఎలాంటి కంప్లైంట్స్ కానీ ఎలాంటి ఇష్యూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నా సరే రెండు ఎవరికైనా మేనేజర్ కాల్ చేయండి సార్.
Okay, sure. Thanks, Andy. There's a lot of French. Thank you. Good thing is that my door handle, which I said you in the morning, has been replaced with a new one under warranty. And I was asking him regarding the audio infotainment, that sound wala thing, but he said that it is common in many of the other cars also, so that's why they cannot resolve it. Probably it might not be their mistake, because some manufacturing defect from the sound system itself, I guess. Okay, I think I can clearly see the difference, because before at around 4,500 odd kilometers before reaching it to the service period or service kilometers, the car was feeling a little bit weird, a bit not so smooth drive, and even the gears are also a bit tight and all this. But now I guess car is completely free. See, in the second service, it's nothing new, guys. Completely they have changed. Sorry, not completely. Completely the service is as same as the first service itself. What they have done is cleaning the oil filters, cleaning the air filters, cleaning the AC filters, top up of the washer liquid. The additional, why it has costed me 1185 rupees, so-called rounded amount, is because of the tire rotation, wheel balancing and wheel alignment. So for this they have charged me. All the filters replacement or oil change or whatever it is, it will be done in the third service. See, overall my experience with this Kia people is frankly satisfactory. But see, in the first service itself I have faced the challenge of part not available. See, the major thing, I don't want to pinpoint on this as a negative, because plant itself is not functioning completely, I guess, manufacturing plant in Anantapur. That is the reason why most of the cars delivery is also getting delayed, because of the delay in the production, and that delay in the production is because of the effect of corona. Probably that could be the issue, and they could not meet the humongous requirement bookings that they got actually. So probably that could be the reason. So here and there many people are getting their deliveries delayed, and some people are getting their deliveries fast, because probably the people who are in the queue before them, probably they would have cancelled the car, and that's how the adjustments will be done. So probably those people could be the luckiest people who have got their cars in less than 1 month or so. I thought of showing you the car entirely after the service, but unfortunately it is so dark, and I couldn't show you. I'll try to show you in this lights itself. I think probably I could do that. Take the camera. Okay, I'll use this mobile light. Wow, frankly speaking, great. All the dirt has been removed. See, they have I think they have used the vacuum cleaner to clean all the dirt. So all the dirt has been removed. Really, guys, it's a fantastic job done by them. I'm really so happy for this. So let's open the engine bay. Now the car looks. Sorry for the noise. I believe you are getting me. Cool, guys. See, even the engine bay is cleaned so much. I'm really excited, guys, because I think my first service experience was not so great at that point of time. That's okay, but now everything is clean and green, guys. See, I think you can see each and everything is so clean. Fantastic. Even the upper portion is also cleaned to the max, and I guess washer fluid is also full to the level, optimum level. Now let's see the car is definitely neat. Okay, here and there some minor featured ka marks. Okay, accepted, fine. This much they have done. Okay, a little bit again. Come on. See, to bring the shine. Okay, fine. Sorry, guys, I'm a bit disappointed with this thing now. To bring the shine to this car, or to bring the shine to the claddings, basically these black claddings, they have used some sort of oily or greasy substances, which I really don't like, because they eventually attract a lot of dust on these parts, and they eventually really make them dull. I don't know why still they will be using all this. Look, a complete black portion, is that's some greasing kind of thing. Even the tires also they do the same thing. Some sort of liquid. Look how it is. I really don't like the people using this here. Seriously. Fine. Things apart. So here it is. So here is the part which was replaced. So completely the car is cleaned from inside, which I am really happy of, because it was so dirty and I have to put my floor mats on at least in 2 to 3 days. I don't know, again I think I am traveling. Okay, little bit of dust, that's okay, it is acceptable for the amount of cleaning that they have done, which I haven't expected at all. So on the top also it is cleaned. Yep, nice, pretty good. So this is how the car looks. Yes, thank you so much. Have a great day, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, bye bye. So after the service we had a little issue, guys. So the issue is this door handle, which was initially jammed, it was cleared, and this complete thing was replaced, as I said before. So now there is no issue from the outside, but later on the issue was, so when you're inside, basically this lock is completely loose. It is not working at all. It is very loose, And the thing is, you cannot open it from inside. Lock position, of course it is not locking at all or unlocking at all. So unlock position, so I cannot remove it from outside, from inside. After the service they have called us, and I have said them the same thing, that now the door is not coming from inside. So they have sent the technician to home. So now he has come, and let's see what he's gonna do. Finally, I think it is clear now. So locking and unlocking, you can hear the tick tick sound. So locked and you cannot open. Unlocked, of course you can open the door. Yep, it's a small thing and it is cleared now.